Guys, so yes, guess what? I got a Maelys skincare unboxing. So this is the box. I've already tried this line. Okay, they kindly emailed me a few weeks ago and they were like, hey, do you want a restock of your favorite Maelys products? And I was like, yes, of course, because I've been needing to repurchase their Acne line, but it's expensive and I haven't been able to purchase this. But now, thank God, they sent me more. So I guess I'm still in their PR list. I don't know. So their products work. Let me tell you, I do have a video showing like a before and after results using their acne line. I have acne and facial acne, so I used their acne line and it removed most of my pimples, literally. So if you struggle with having acne in your body or face, then you're gonna love this. It's pretty pricey, but it's worth your money. It smells good, it feels good. I have sensitive skin, I had no irritation, and it works. So definitely go buy it. So I noticed right off the bat they changed the packaging. That's pretty interesting. Okay, so this is the Get Gone Acne Body Cleanser. It looks like this. It's cruelty free, vegan. It has great ingredients, obviously. This is the back, and yeah, and they tell you, okay, so this treats active breakouts and prevents new ones from forming. So you have to use this non-stop, basically, because once you stop, you might get acne again. So you definitely have to repurchase, okay, once you run out, because if not, you're gonna break out again. And so, but it is worth it. It's just pricey. Okay, it feels nice on the skin. Like, it just felt like a traditional cleanser. I didn't notice my skin drying. Like some acne products, it dries your skin, but not this one. I didn't feel anything like that. So yeah, I was so excited to receive it. Oh no, they didn't change the packaging from the bottle, only the box. Okay, that's interesting. So this lasts you for a few months, like maybe like 2-3 months, or a little bit more if you don't use it daily, which is something that I would do because I was trying to save money, you know. So definitely, like, maybe you can use all of this bottle for like a season, like for, yeah, because one season is usually 2 to 3 months long. So like winter season, you use all of this, then purchase another one for spring season, or like, I don't know, like that's how long it lasts, about like 2 to 3 months. Obviously I got up to here because I stopped using it daily because of, like, I need to save it. So I was like, I'm only gonna use it for important dates. I was like, okay, let me use it again. Whenever I went in the shower, the product here looked kind of like an off color, like, I don't know, like greenish, yellowish, brownish. But I was like, I'm still gonna risk it. I'm gonna use it. And it broke me out extensive, like heavy, because it was expired and I took that risk. So now I have like a lot of acne left because of the expired product that I use. When it's not expired, it works perfectly, but please make sure that you see the inside of the bottle. It should look white. Oops. It should look like that, clear white. It shouldn't look like brownish. Like, if you see a different color, it's expired, and don't risk it, because it's gonna happen like me. Like, you're gonna have intense breakout, even worse than the actual breakouts you had, because your skin got infected and dirty and disgusting. So now I have scarring from that. Luckily I didn't put it on my face because this I also use for my face at times and it helped. Oops, it spilled everywhere. So just make sure it's not expired. Okay, yeah, it's the first time that happened to me. So I feel like if products you use expire, then that means that the ingredients are very great quality and fresh. It's not like chemically, because it expired, you know, if that makes sense. I don't know how to explain it. Okay, oops, it dripped everywhere. And it has the same scent and formula. You see, it's clear. It smells, I don't know how to explain the scent. It smells clean, fresh, a little bit sweet, but not really. I don't know how to explain, but kind of smells like I don't know if a body spray. No, I don't know. It smells good. It doesn't smell like flowers, but it doesn't smell like candy, but it smells like a feminine, clean scent. It smells clean, like smells good. I don't know how to describe it. And it feels nice. Look, it absorbed, moisturizing. I don't know. So I feel like everybody is gonna like that scent. It's pretty standard for everyone. It's not too much of this, too much of that. Okay, so the next thing they sent me is their targeted body acne gel. I can't remember if I used this one, but it's pretty much the same ingredients it has. So this one helps eliminate the acne and blemishes and prevents new break. Okay, it's the same thing as the other one. So it also reduces the look of oily skin. I don't have oily skin, but it helps with that. So okay, it has all of these ingredients. Oh, okay, interesting. So oops, you see, I love the packaging. It's blue. It's very pretty. I love it. Okay, it's very stuck in there. So even if this brand doesn't send me free PR, I'm still gonna repurchase because I like it. The products actually work anyway. So look, it's so curvy. It comes with a pump and it's obviously a thin formula, not super thick. So this you can massage it on your chest and your booty. Don't lie, people get acne there. A lot of people lie. They're like, I don't get everybody gets pimples everywhere where you least expect it. You're like, how did that get in there? I don't freaking know. But exfoliate so that doesn't happen. Sometimes even if you exfoliate or shower daily, you still get acne. Like, you're like, what? Because of hormones or the food you're eating. Okay, so don't feel embarrassed. It's normal. Okay. So I'm just gonna, oh yeah, I think I've tried this. It's a blue shade. It's not clear. It's very pretty. I was scared. I was like, it's blue. I don't think my skin is gonna like it. It smells really good. Oh, this takes me back spring of last year. Oh my god. Spring of last year was fun because, oh my god, never mind. I need to stop. Okay. It's just, it smells good. So this, I definitely gonna use it right now for my face. I have a few acne breakouts, like from my chest, right here. I'm noticing it getting a lot here. So what is this? I just love this brand. It works. Okay, so the last thing they sent me is probably the spray, because I remember a back spray, because let's be honest, if you're alone, it's hard to reach those areas, especially like when you shop. Like, how can you put product like I cannot reach? So that's why they invented the spray. And it's, yeah, the Get Back's acne spray. Okay, the packaging is the same. So this, you, okay, so I'm trying to remember how I used it. Okay, so obviously I think I used the cleanser, and then I used that cream, and then on top I think I used the spray, or I think I used all of the three at the same time. But I mainly just use the spray for my bag. Sometimes like by the just cleanser, or just sometimes I wouldn't even use the cleanser, I don't think, and just the spray, and it still worked fine. Or sometimes I would use this and the cleanser at the same time, and it worked just as good. But I tried it in different ways, and the product still worked really great. So yeah, and obviously the spray smells the same as the whole line, and it's very lightweight. Like you see, you can't really tell, but it's white, clear, smells good, and doesn't feel sticky or uncomfortable whenever you use it. And I was like worried, because I'm like, I don't feel comfortable with stickiness in my bag. It feels dirty, right? But no, you don't feel that ill dirty sensation in your bag whenever you use it. Because something like I can't reach, but yeah, it does work. And obviously after you apply it, let it dry for a few minutes or seconds before you put on a shirt, but or a bra. But if you don't live alone, like me, I'm like, I put the spray in, and I have to like put on a shirt right away, and even like that, it still worked. But yeah, try to let it sit in your skin for a few minutes and then put a shirt on, you know, because no. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is a mini unboxing and review. Obviously gonna still try another before and after results this year, and then apply it, the pictures here, buy it. I love it. It smells great, feels great. Like my favorite skincare acne line. Okay, yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. Bye. Thank you so much, Maelys, for gifting me this again. I really needed this restock. I really love your products. Okay, please come out with more. Like listen, you're gonna love it. Like maybe you don't have acne, but you have stretch marks. They have a product for that. They have a product for everything regarding like women body concerns, like scarring, or like cellulite, or what else, anti-aging. They have like those people that have like red keratosis bumps in their arms. Like literally every skin type issue you have, Maelys brand probably has it. And there's a bunch of before and after pictures of a lot of ladies on their website that show that it works. So if you don't believe me, go to their website, because they're lying. Literally works. And no, I'm not getting paid. They don't pay me. I don't have a discount code. I kind of wish I did, because it's really good. But no, I just receive sometimes gifted products throughout the months. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So bye, thanks for watching. If you have any question, let me know, as always. Yeah, bye. Okay, bye.